Hello everyone, welcome to my Hot Wheels Redline collection. Today we're going to go over the 1968 Pythons. I have a few in my collection. I still have more, but I just don't want to dig them all out of my display cabinet. But we'll kind of touch base on these ones here. So we'll start off here. This one, as you can see, is blue. Got two carburetors on it. Big back window, tail light, and you could tell this one, besides the clear glass, and it has a dash. There we go. It has a dash inside of it. Good wheels. You have the two little poles here in the bottom, which show that this is a U.S. made car. The front grille. This was actually based off of a car that was designed by Carcraft magazine called the Dream Car. And it was just built from miscellaneous cars. And Carcraft did a great job with this. But again, this one is blue. This one is a darker blue. And it's very well. I mean, it's really beautiful. Nice base, two holes again to show that this is a US built car. Absolutely gorgeous. And now we'll go to a green one. Another beautiful car. So this one, you could tell from the four squares that this one was a Hong Kong. Another beautiful car. And you can see the difference in the back. On the American one, the US version, the back of the car is made into the base, built into the base, where on the Hong Kong version, it's actually part of the body. So you can definitely see the difference. Blue glass, white interior, no real dash, but it has a steering wheel. Very nice looking cars. This one is an olive color. And you can see that the black paint doesn't come all the way down on the roof. Some of them, the paint came all the way down. I thought I had one out, but apparently it's still in my display cabinet. But you can see again, this is a Hong Kong, four squares, dark interior. Very nice little car. This one, I don't know the color on this one. I bought it because it looked orange to me. But this also is a Hong Kong car. See the four holes. The body itself, like I said earlier, has the tail lights and the exhaust pipes and stuff in it. White interior, black steering wheel. Very nice car, I thought. This one is gold. It's not really in the best shape, but for a gold car for me that I was looking for, it was really good. Two holes in the bottom, which show that this is a US built car. And see, you can see the black comes all the way down on this guy, where these ones don't, if you look at that. So they were kind of hit and miss on whether you had the full black. And this is a very nice car, I thought. So I picked it up. I just wish the engine had a little more chrome on it, but I'm okay with the way this thing looks and sits in my display cabinet. It's a very nice car. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed my Pythons, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.